A hearing test or a geometry test measures several factors, including what frequencies you can detect and the softest sounds you can hear in different tones and speech sounds. An audiologist can interpret these results and determine the existence, type, and degree of your hearing loss. People with mild hearing loss usually don't have problems understanding speech in optimal conditions, like conversing with a single speaker in a quiet room. But they may struggle to understand speech when background noise is present, like in restaurants. People with moderate hearing loss often feel that speech sounds too soft or muffled, even in optimal conditions. They may also have trouble hearing when they can't see the speaker, like when listening to the TV or radio. If you have trouble hearing loud sounds like cars or loud music, consult a hearing health professional.